Okay, we've got some new activity panels that are very tactile for this year. So we've got something with bristles and little rubber sort of pimples on them. These are really hardy activity wall panels. Some other different textures, you know, rubbery, pimply, nice to feel. Then we've got a tough sort of, what would we call this? Very, I can't even think what the name of this fabric is. Very sort of rough and it's a totally, tough sort of texture.
It's like a mat.
Yeah. And this one's sort of soft, you can feel it a bit. It looks really sort of dimensional. If someone's into sort of counting or looking at all the little divots in it, that's a really nice one as well. Here we go, we've got a few more activity wall tactile panels. So this is fluffy and it's sort of got a bit of softness to it as well. So same thing again, you can wall mount these. Sort of rubbery pebbles, I should say. So nice sort of textures. Another rough surface with a lot of clients seem to like that sort of rough texture. And another sort of mat with sort of dimensional, just nice feels, but nice tough panels, new for Technical Solutions.